Hello! Welcome to the last video of 2022. Hi, my name is Stephanie and some people call me also Pei, as you can see from the name of this channel. And today we're gonna do a centerpiece, a really simple centerpiece for the New Year's Eve. First of all, I have to say that this was something like really unexpected. I wasn't planning on doing this centerpiece. So basically, I'm taking things that I have at home. So I know you're excited, I'm excited too. Let's make this centerpiece. So come with me to see what we can do with what I have here at home. And let's do this together. Let's go! So here we are. And yes, I changed to my decorating clothes. Let's show you the materials that we're gonna use. So first of all, we're gonna use this black tablecloth. I had it here for something that I did before, so we're gonna use it today. And we're gonna use these pine leaves that I had that I bought to do the centerpiece that I have on one of my previous videos. And have you seen that video? Wait, if you haven't, just go there, finish this one and then go there and see that centerpiece that I did with, it was the first centerpiece that I did for Christmas, so it was something really good, so go check it out. And I have these ones that I still have, so I'm gonna use them today. And of course, for me, New Year's is like black and gold. So we're gonna use this gold Christmas balls, this small one that I also bought for decorations, and I still have a few in here, so I'm gonna use for this one. And of course, lights. You already know me, you know that all that I do has a lot of lights because I love them. So I cannot do this centerpiece without putting lights. And on this time, we're gonna have this little Christmas light that I also bought for another decoration. I told you I'm doing some recycling here, so I'm recycling a lot of decorations. So we're gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use candles. And this one is here just in case. I bought this at the beginning of Christmas season, and it's something really amazing because it's like a wire that comes with its own cutter in here. So you just put there and then you just click in here and the wire will just cut. And it's really helpful because also on my previous decoration, this helped me a lot, like seriously a lot. Totally recommended this. And if you come this far on this video, it's the perfect time for you to subscribe. So press the subscribe button and let's continue with this table decoration. So okay, so now we have cleared up the table. So we're gonna leave this tablecloth as it is. Oh, I forgot to mention, this one is plastic. It's a plastic tablecloth, so it will help you to give some shape. So what we're gonna do is the following. We're gonna leave like this, and I'm gonna measure if it's okay, like I have enough space for putting my plates in here. And then we're gonna just do like we're wrapping a paper, and we're gonna do this. So we're gonna put the candles now, and we're gonna place these big ones here. I don't think I'm gonna use this small one because this is plastic, and no, that's not a good combination. So we're gonna leave this one behind. Now that we have all the candles in here, we're gonna put the pines. Any rules or order for this? So just placing them here. After placing all of these, we're gonna add the lights, my favorite part. we have our legs in there, and we want to give the final touch adding the golden Christmas ball. Have everything here. So, are you ready to see the final result with the lights on? 3, 2, 1. This is the result, and I really hope you like it. Now I have brushed and get dressed and everything for the dinner, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for doing this with me. And this is the final video of the year. I want to wish you a happy new year. I hope you had a great 2022, and I know that the 2023 will be even better. I hope you enjoy with your loved ones and have a great New Year celebration. Thank you for being with me this year and doing all these crazy, exciting, and creative decorations that we have done so far. And if you are new here and you're thrilled to see what we're going to do here, just press the subscribe button and press the bell to have the notifications when I upload a new video. Give me thumbs up if you like it, and let me know in the comment which country you would really want to see on the 2023. I really want to know that. Take care. Bye bye.